said that forgiveness is the fragrance the violet shed on the heel that crushed it. But let's be real, not everyone wears that fragrance easily. Today, we dive into a story that's sending shockwaves across Nigeria and teaching a chilling lesson about the dangers of playing with people's emotions. This is the story of the Pepper Soup Girl, a nickname that has edged itself into conversation nationwide. She was once in love, pouring her heart into her relationship. But when that love soured, betrayal brewed within her, darker than the stormiest night. Anger can make you do unimaginable things, and that's exactly what happened here. Unable to let go for the hurt, she allegedly prepared a pot of pepper soup. But this was no ordinary dish. It was poisoned with intentions. Shrouded in rage and heartbreak, she handed it to her ex-boyfriend, not caring who else might share in this ill-fated meal. It wasn't just him who ate that pepper soup, but 4 of his friends as well. And soon, tragedy struck. Like lightning, they all died. Now, it's important to be clear. Nothing about her actions can be justified. Poisoning someone is wrong, no matter how hot or broken one feels. But why did it get to this point? Why did emotions boil over until they scattered not just one, but many lives? Too often, people play with emotions as if they are just games. Some lie, betray, or mock, thinking that a simple "I'm sorry" or moving on will be enough to fix everything. But not everyone can turn the other cheek. For some, hurt becomes poison, not just for others, but for themselves. And when that poison spills, it can be catastrophic. This is a reminder that emotions are powerful, fragile, and sometimes even dangerous. Heartbreak, betrayal, humiliation, this can fester like wounds that refuse to heal. While most people manage to navigate these stormy waters with tears, silence, or even growth, a few become trapped in a spiral that leads them to make choices that shatter lives, including their own. But the lesson here isn't just about avoiding those who can't forgive. It's about understanding that you should never underestimate how deeply your actions affect others. That flirtation that went too far, the betrayal you justified, or the lie you told, it may seem small to you, but it might be the last straw for someone else. If you've ever been hurt, know this: taking revenge isn't worth it. It leaves you empty, with the consequences that rip through the lives of many. And if you're the one causing the hurt, think before you act. Someone's spirit, once broken, doesn't always mend, and sometimes the consequences are more fatal than you could ever imagine. Let's make this a moment of reflection. Don't play with hearts and minds as if they are unbreakable toys. Life isn't a game, and there are no reset buttons when something goes too far. Remember, compassion and mindfulness doesn't just protect others, they protect you from consequences you may never see coming. And to those who are struggling with emotions they can't shake, seek help. Talk to someone before a single moment of anger turns into a lifetime regret. Before we close, make sure to hit the like button if you found this message impactful. Subscribe for more thought-provoking content and share this video to remind others to tread carefully when it comes to matters of the heart. Stay safe, stay wise, and remember, everyone deserves care, but not everyone is equipped to forgive. Bye for now.